The next train to High Wycombe departs in 1 minute. The train stops all stations.
Sorry about that, but hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Bayswater right now and back into the new stations. We'll go to Redcliffe. This will be the last video for today. And Mark is also going to Redcliffe, so I will meet with him and we'll spend the rest of the day a little bit longer, and then I will head back and try to rush the videos and get them up to YouTube if they recognize the videos, if YouTube decides to take up the videos. Now earlier on there was a B series actually running on Midland line. That's pretty dumb. Why they actually need to use a B series on Midland? Making things confusing. It really makes things confusing because all of the trains to Midland should be using A series and then just making it confusing. Actually, baby prams can go on first.
Thank you.
Touch my back now. That's a lot of people right here though. Alright, we'll just do it like this. Leave the door closed. Jesus Christ. Excuse me, can you help me grab out the bag of tissue inside my bag from the first zip, because I just killed a fly and really need to get rid of it. Yeah, the one with the Aboriginal... Thanks for that. Yeah, thanks. Alright, sorry about that. I just killed the fly and then I need to... Oh, thanks for that. Really great, appreciate it. I need to ask actually someone behind me to actually pick up my tissue box to get rid of that fly. Gosh. I killed the fly because I saw a fly running and I was like, oh, I need to stop that thing. And I just used my hands to beat it and then it died and then I need to wipe it out. Oh, that's disgusting. But here we go, back to that. Nope, just do it this way. I'm gonna clean my hands afterwards. Jeez. That fly literally broke in half and there's so much blood inside that guy. Unfortunately, B-series filming on the right side is a little hard, so that's why I'm just going to do it this way. And we should be arriving at Redcliffe soon. And we'll get off, wait for the train to leave. Redcliffe! Alight at Redcliffe for bus services to Perth Airport, Terminal 3 and 4. But there are no bus services today, which is really ridiculous. That they actually have the announcement still up, but that's alright. Tomorrow starting we'll have bus services. Arriving at Redcliffe. Getting off time. There are actually a lot of people filming, so the staff today doesn't even care about any, actually don't really care about people actually filming, so it doesn't matter. So basically everyone's taking pictures. Jesus. We're out of here. Alright, not High Wycombe, this is Redcliffe. Wait for the train to leave, and I also need to wipe my freaking hand. Let me wipe my hands first. Jesus. That's literally disgusting earlier on. That fly broke in half. First, wait for the train to depart. Oh my gosh. $5, which I don't know whether they will increase the price later on, because having $5 basically is the same as the others. The other spots is just ridiculous, so that's why. Another train coming in on the other side. Wait for the train to depart. And there's an express right here to Perth, which does not stop at every single station. It's special apparently. Well, see you guys next time. That's the last video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's airport line opening experience, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!